Hi guys!
Hi, what are we going to do today?
Today we will open this beautiful glitter Kinder Joy. Look how cute he is, glitters and shimmers.
Oh, it's beautiful, of course. Chocolate for me. And a toy too.
Okay, let's open it. Chocolate for you.
Thank you. Oh, I really love chocolate.
Magic! Well, this is a very interesting toy. Thanks for watching. Please like. Bye bye.
Love you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.